guys, and welcome back to a brand new video and a brand new episode on the channel today. And today I'm going to be doing a few little odd jobs around the garden, and so I hope you enjoy it. It's a bit of a slightly different episode. So in a previous odd job video, well, this is another odd job, but in a previous odd job video, we put some mesh over our brassicas to stop some aphids. But it's bulging the mesh now, and it is now time to take them out. Right, this is quite quick and easy. And now this means we can also get to the weeds, which you can see are coming through a Jurassic crate. Right, I can't reach the last one, so my dad will do that. But we'll get it all out and then we'll come back. So my dad had a little bit of an accident because he was being a silly diplodocus. If you don't know what a diplodocus is, it's what I call my dad, and I have a name for my mum as well. So it's a dinosaur, by the way, because they're old. But my diplodocus of a dad, when we were putting off the mesh, he wasn't very cautious, and he pulled out a brassica. And we're going to try to save this as best as we can. So we probably should get to that, but we'll be back in a minute when the crisis is over. Oh, right, crisis averted. Oh, we've got it in. So we weren't planning to fill up this area, our path, but we didn't really have an option in the matter because my diplodocus of a dad pulled it out when he was moving out the last stake of the mesh. I had done it all perfectly, and he destroyed one at the end. Well, he didn't really destroy it. It is in the ground. If it survives, it survives. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It's whatever it is. But at least it stands a fighting chance. At least we've given it a fighting chance. So you can see there is a lot of weeds, and unfortunate for, well, not really unfortunate, because we have done a little bit of gardening maintenance today. So we've got these clips here, and they were a really good buy. You've probably seen me use them in about 3 of the episodes, and they're reusable, so you can reuse them every year. But today we are going to be using them for the purpose of clipping up our monstews. So the first one here, I'm going to clip that into place, like so. Again. So if you watched if you go to our last Friday night update that we do them weekly on a Friday night, hence why they are called Friday night updates. We've been doing that for, it's going to be the 4th week running, or 3rd week, one of the two. You can see a little monstew pod here, but I'll have more of that in our Friday night update, as I said. So I'm going to clip up the next one. Right. So that's that one. I'll probably clip off one more on camera, and then we will do the rest off camera. That can pretty wait until it's a little bigger clip. Stretch it this long can. So the next odd job is to clip up some of our runner bean stalks. So that's that clipped. That will just stop it from going everywhere. So we're gonna swap sides, because that was what we needed to do on that side. So remember, they're gonna swap sides, and then right. So me and my dad just swapped places, and so I need to clip up this one. Right, so that one's clipped, and I need to clip this one, probably. Right. Right, into place. There's probably not any others that need to be clipped in. Yeah, there isn't any others that need to be clipped in. The next job is to clip up a few more of our melons. Just the things that the like leaf branches that are coming off. So I need to clip some of these up, and the first one I'm going to clip up is, oh, well, I've seen one. So I'm going to clip up this one. Right, so that's one into place. So this is one that we did earlier. So my dad did this morning. He just noticed it. So I'm just going to bring this up. Is it gonna? Right, so I'm just clipping a one up here. Right. So that's that one clipped up. There's one here that can be clipped up. So these are the clips that we've used absolutely all over the garden, and they've been the best buy so far. So there's a cane next to me, and another part of this is I need to put in a cane to for our So I'm just gonna put up a support to support our grape plant. So I'm just putting it in, and the reason I'm doing this is because you can see here that this clip and this needs clipping in. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Right. So then maybe we can clip this in as well. To there. So let me get another clip quickly, and then I can clip this up to here. Right, and just any longer growth that we see, I will keep on clipping it up. So there's our tayberry here, and it's getting a little bit intertangled with this, so I need to try and... So normally I wouldn't do this, but I need to just break this apart from it. So I'm going to clip this up, and I'm going to clip it up here. Right, so this is our long forgotten about tayberry, and now that we've moved the melon out of the way, we can actually see it a little bit better. So I've got to put this down because I need to get out. So that was the odd jobs for the greenhouse. Let's go outside and do some more odd jobs. So another quick little odd job before we go up to our veg patch is just feeding our wild birds that like to come to our garden. I need to also put some nuts on, but I'll do that off camera. And that's for our squirrel that likes to nick the nuts that we give him. So we used to give it to him in a bag that used to dangle from this nail, but every single time he would nick all the nuts. So the lawn was getting in a bit of a desperate need of mowing. So my dad's done a little bit. I'm gonna do a little bit on camera. There's gonna be a bit of music. My dad's just gonna start it up, and then the music will begin. So today's episode was a slightly different episode. We don't normally film us doing it because there's more sort of jobs that we have to do around the garden than just sowing and sort of de-weeding and stuff. There's a lot more jobs that goes on behind the scenes. We don't really film that. We've done a few odd jobs in the video before, but nothing really like this. We might do a few more in the future because it's actually quite nice. You guys can see that it's not just I just sew things and then my dad actually maintains it. I actually do a little bit of the stuff. But that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and as always, don't forget to slam that notification bell so you're notified when I upload my brand new videos. When you do that, don't forget to click all. This will notify of all my videos. And there's two videos popping up now. One is the making of the first bit of the making of the strawberry bed, and the other one is the second episode of the Big Plant Out weekend. But I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.